Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to factory reset your 7 M300 dash cam. So all you need to have is your dash cam, then the mini USB cable that you need to plug into your charger, then there's a phone that you need to have with installed 7 application. Just click in the 7 application, then there will be a guide telling you how to set up with your dash cam. Then once you got it, just click at the top right of your screen at the three dots. Then slowly scroll down to the bottom and you will see factory reset. All you need to do, just click OK, and then it will factory reset your dash cam. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.